Python, json.loads returns items prefixing with u. I'll be receiving a JSON encoded string from Objective-C, and I am decoding a dummy string, for now, like the code below. My output comes out with character u prefixing each item. How is JSON adding this Unicode character? What's the best way to remove it?
The U prefix just means that you have a Unicode string. When you really use the string, it won't appear in your data. Don't be thrown by the printed output. For example, try this. You won't see a U.
Everything is cool, man. The U is a good thing. It indicates that the string is of type Unicode in Python 2.x. This URL.
The D3 print below is the one you are looking for, which is the combination of dumps and loads. Smile. Having. Prints.
Those U characters being appended to an object signifies that the object is encoded in Unicode. If you want to remove those U characters from your object, you can do this. Let's check out from Python shell.
Iwan puri mudah, biasa consider susliren.